Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn cloud computing, deploy applications, work with big data, or build AI powered solutions, Google Cloud is one of the best platforms to start with. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Google Cloud account and activate the free $300 credits and give you quick overview of the main Google Cloud services. So what is Google Cloud? Google Cloud is a cloud computing platform by Google that provides on-demand services like computing power, storage, databases, networking, artificial intelligence, and more. Instead of buying physical servers, we can use Google's infrastructure and pay only for what you use. So, under the Google Cloud Platform umbrella, we have different services. We have compute service where we can run the virtual machines, containers, and keep the applications. We have storage and database where we can store files, images, videos, and structured data. We have networking service where we can securely connect cloud resources and manage traffic. Then we have big data, which processes and analyze large scale data sets. We have developer tools, identity and security, then IoT we can manage on Google Cloud. We have different management tools to monitor usage, performance, logs, and cost. We have data transfer utility, which we can use to move large datasets into and out of the Google Cloud. As our channel is more about AI and machine learning, so we will deep dive into AI and machine learning services. So basically, Google Cloud provides powerful AI and machine learning services that help developers and business build intelligence applications without deep ML expertise. What are the key features or capabilities Google is providing here? So we have pre-trained AI APIs, then Vertex AI, Generative AI, AutoML. So in the upcoming videos, we will be focusing on Vertex AI and its component like Model Garden, foundation models, prompt design, fine tuning, and GenAI Studio. So okay, now let's jump to how we can create these services. So prerequisite is we need a Google account, a debit card or credit card for verification. So right now I have a Google account. So what we will do, we'll jump to the website of Google Cloud. Google Cloud Console. I'll open this website. Okay, so here we have get started for free option. So we'll click on that. Okay, so it has fetched my account details here. Now my country is India. On the right side we can see get everything that you need to build and run your apps, website, and services, including Firebase and the Google Maps API. So we are getting $300 free credit. So in this $300 we can build our apps, we can use the Google storage, we can build AI agents, a lot of things are there. So once we get the account ready, we will jump to those components also. Okay, one more point is here, there is no automatic charges. So you only start paying if you decide to activate a full pay-as-you-go account or choose to prepay. Any remaining free credit is yours to keep. So this kind of a disclaimer they have given here. Okay, what we'll do, I'll click on the agree and continue. Okay, here you have to enter your name and address. We have organization, no, it is for individual, so I'll select that option. So by default it is taking my legal name. Then we need to enter street address, then apartment, town, city, pin code, state. So these are mandatory details we have to fill up. I'll quickly fill up these details. Now it is asking me to add the payment method. So I'll select it and add credit card or debit card option I'm getting. So I'll click on that. Now it will ask for credit card number. So I'll enter that number. As I have added payment method, we can click on start free service. Again it is asking for the CVV. Just click on verify. Okay, so this is basically Google Cloud Console. Here we can say there are different products we have under the hood. We can train our models, then host the models on the Google Cloud, view and use notebook data, then foundation models we can utilize. Pre-built solutions also are there. Then interactive tutorials, so there are several tutorials they have kept here to help us to build apps, AI solutions. Okay, there are developer tools we have. So click on view all products. Okay, let's explore what all products we can utilize under the Google Cloud. We have this information here. We got button to click on to see the products. Okay, so as we discussed earlier, these are the services we are getting under the Google Cloud. One is management, then compute. So under the compute option, we are getting compute engine, Kubernetes engine, VMware engine. So it is basically we can run scalable virtual machines and containers under compute. Then we have multiple storage option to store the long-term and short-term VM and file store securely. Then analytics options we have like BigQuery, PubSub, Dataflow, Composer, Dataprop. Networking options we have, then distributed cloud option is there. Databases we have. Then we can monitor the logs, error reporting, trace, observability is there, operations we can do, security we have, app development we can do, CI/CD integration option is there, and then finally we have this artificial intelligence. Under the artificial intelligence, we have this Vertex AI, translation, document AI, search for commerce, talent solution. So basically these are the utilities we have under artificial intelligence. In upcoming video we will go through all these options. We will build the POCs so we can understand how we can utilize this artificial intelligence option in Google Cloud. We have integration services also, different tools. So there are many products we have under the Google Cloud. So this way we have created Google Cloud account successfully. In upcoming videos we will explore compute engine, database and AI services and so on. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe and share.